Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Let me introduce myself. I am Sir Jake M. Serrano and I am your teacher in Science 4. So before we start our main discussion, let us recall our past lesson. So class, what was our past lesson yesterday? Anyone? Yes, Rochelle?
It's all about light, heat, and sound travel, teacher.
Very good, class. I'm glad to know that you can still remember and understand our past lesson. Now class, I have here a simple activity for you to have an idea for our next discussion. So class, this is the jumbled letter. So direction, look at the pictures below. Arrange the jumbled letters to identify what kind of soil is being shown. Now class, may I know who wants to answer for the number 1? And for the number 2? For the number 3? Okay, very good, class. Now class, what have you noticed in this activity?
We noticed, sir, that it is about the different types of soil.
Okay, very good, class. Our topic for today is all about the different types of soil. Now class, before we start to our discussion, may I know, let's find out your understanding in the different types of soil. Okay? First, what is soil in your own understanding? Yes, Rochelle?
Soil is formed from the breakdown of rocks because of we can grow plants and grow tree, teacher.
Very good. Soil is made up from breakdown rocks from the earth's surface, through weather and erosion. And second class, what is the importance of soil? Yes, Jocelyn?
For me, sir, the importance of soil is for growth and life of plants.
Very good. The importance of soil is gives growth and life of plants. It holds the plants straight up and source of nutrients and water that the primary needs of plants. Now class, we have here three types of soil. We have here a sandy soil, clay soil, and the loam soil. Now class, I will give you the sandy soil so you can observe it and also you can touch it to know the texture of the sandy soil. Understand, class?
Yes.
Okay, so here's the sandy soil. So, are you done observing, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now class, what have you noticed in the sandy soil? Yes, Jocelyn?
I noticed that the sandy soil have a small and big particles and the texture is rough.
Very good. Okay, so everyone please read the sandy soil.
Sandy soil. It consists of small particles of weathered rocks. It has the largest particles among the 3 types of soil.
Very good. So however, the sandy soil has low nutrients and poor water holding capacity. So, as you can see class, the sandy soil has big particles. Okay? Big particles is made up from the breakdown rocks and minerals. Okay? Now class, second, we have here, what is this class?
Clay soil.
Very good. So this is the clay soil. Now class, I will give you this clay soil so you can observe it. So, clay soil. Class. So class, what have you observed with the clay soil? Anyone? Yes, Rochelle?
The texture is fine and have small particles, teacher.
Very good. So class, the clay soil has the smallest particles among the 3 types of soil. The texture is fine and rich in nutrients which plants need, and the soil has a very good water holding. Now class, the clay soil particles has tightly packed with a very little or no airspace. So the clay soil is the densiest and heaviest type of soil. Now class, let's compare the weight of the sandy soil and the clay soil. Now class, what do you think is the heaviest? The clay soil or the sandy soil?
The loam.
Very good, the clay soil. Because the clay soil contains the soil, water, and minerals. That's why, as I said earlier, the clay soil is the densest and the heaviest type of soil. And now class, for the last soil, we have here, what is this class?
Loam soil.
Very good. Now class, I will give you this loam soil. So please observe the loam soil and you can touch it to know the texture. Okay? So are you done observing class?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now class, what have you observed the loam soil? Yes, Rochelle?
The texture is rather fine. It's black or brown.
Very
Texture.
good. Okay, please everyone read.
Loam soil. It is combined of sand, silt, and clay. Its texture is rather fine. It's black or brown because of a high amount of humus.
Very good class. Now class, are you familiar with the word of humus?
No, sir.
Okay class, for the additional learning, I will explain what is humus. Okay? Humus is a dark matter from form of the composition of plants and animals. So humus is a good resources of nutrients. It helps the soil to gain more nutrients that absorbed by the plants. Okay, class? So please don't forget that, class. So loam soil has the ability to retain moisture and retain nutrients. That's the primary needs of plants, class. So this loam soil class is commonly used by our farmer because, as I said earlier, loam soil has ability to retain moisture and nutrients. Okay, class? Now, class, for the better understanding, let's have an experiment. So, are you ready, class?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, we will test the water absorption and water flow of each type of soil. So, what you have to do is, you're going to pour water on every type of soil. Now, class, may I know, for each group, class, I need one representative for each group. Okay, Rochelle, please stand up. And you're going to pour water on the yes. More. Yes. Now, Rochelle, what have you observed when you poured water on the sandy soil? Yes, very good. The water, the sandy soil absorbed quickly the sandy soil. Okay, very good, Rochelle. Now, for the clay soil, for our representative of second group, yes, Jocelyn. Okay, so you can pour water on the sandy soil. Okay. More. Okay, when you put water on the clay soil, what you observe?
The soil is very good in holding the water.
Very good. So please stand up. And last group for loam soil. Who wants to try? Yes, Rochelle. Okay, all you have to do is you're going to pour water on the loam soil. Okay. Okay, Rochelle, what have you observed when you poured water on the loam soil?
Slowly
Very good. So, and now class, let's have an exercises to see if you really understand our discussion for today. Okay, so the direction, identify the type of soil shown in the picture, choose your answer from the box. So I will give you 5 minutes to finish your activity. Are you done, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, class, so may I know who wants to answer for the number 1? Very good. For the number 2? Yes, very good. And for the number 3? Very good. And now class, let's check your answer if your answer is correct. Are you done checking, class?
Yes,
Okay, very good, class. Now pass your paper forward. Very good. And now class, let's have a group activity. So I will group you into 3 groups. So this will be the group 1, group 2, and the last group will be the group 3. Okay? Now class, I will give you 5 minutes to finish this group activity. But before we start, let us recall our group activity guidelines. First, cooperate with your group mate. Second, be quiet while doing your activity. So, are you done, class?
yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So, each group have one representative to present your group activity. So, for the group 1, what is your answer?
Light brown, rough, loose.
Very good, group 1. And the group 2, what your answer?
Dark brown, finest texture.
Okay.
Compact.
And for the last group?
Brown, fine.
Very good, class. So, the group 1 got the 15 points, which is the perfect score. And the group 2, you got the 15 points. And the last group, you got also the perfect score. So, give yourself a round of applause, class. And now, class, let's have another individual activity. Okay, class. So choose the correct answer. So I will give you 5 minutes to finish this individual activity. Are you done, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's check your work. Are you done checking, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Please pass your paper forward. Okay, very good, class. Okay, so remember, class, please read everyone.
Soil is important because it provides plants with physical support, water, and nutrients to grow. It also covers most of the land part of the earth, where plants, animals, houses, and other organisms will be found. And mostly, we live on the soil and it helps us in many ways.
Very good, class. So remember, class, the soil covers most the land part of the earth. So you can find houses, infrastructure, animals, plants, and other organisms. Now, class, what have you learned from our lesson? Yes, Rochelle?
We learned from the importance of different soil, teacher.
Very good. And second, class, as a student, how can you protect the soil?
We protect the soil from recycled paper, plastic, and metal to keep them out of landfills, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, class, let's have an evaluation to see if you really understand our discussion. So, class, read the statement right. Yes, if the statement is correct, and no if it's not. So, I will give you 6 minutes to finish your activity. Are you done, class?
Yes.
Okay, now class, please pass your answer sheet. Okay, very good. And now class, for your assignment. Are you done writing your assignment, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, class. So do you have any questions regarding your assignment?
None, sir.
Very good. That's all for today, class. I hope you learned a lot from our discussion. So, goodbye, class.
Good.